So yeah, welcome back to Hausa series channels. We are taking revision for the previous lesson we have done in previous term. So we are going to take some few main points of some topics we have done in previous term, comprising basis, logarithm, and some geometry. Now let's start with number basis. Bases are the type of numbers where we can count a huge amount of number and make it in one single form. Like say base 2, we have only 1 and 0, where we need only 1 and 0, we finish our counting. Base 3, base 4, base 5. Like base 5, if you need base 5, you need to start counting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you reach 5, so your bundle has already finished, then you start counting again. So if you said basis means we need to be counting a number in such a form that once it reaches such a number, like base 5, once it reaches 5 numbers, so we are going to make it a bundle and start counting again. As well as base 10, when we started counting, we are starting with 0 up to 9. Once we reach 9, we are making it a bundle and make it a single one. So that is a form of the basis. So in base 10, we are already familiar with it, as it is normal, means that we are using it as a constant. Always when we start with 0 up to 9, so we are making it a bundle as 10. Then if we take another basis like base 5, base 6, base 7, base 8, so the same thing we are going to apply there. We are going to make it a bundle. Let's say base 8. When we start counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we will not include 8 there. Means we have 0 up to 7, we have only 8 numbers there. So we are going to match them together as a single bundle, then we start counting again. So we have done it previously in lessons. If you need it, go back to our previous lesson in first term so that you can see a full lesson on it. So we then talk about logarithm of number. Logarithm of number has its own standard, or I can say constant value. When we need to find the log 0 is already 0, log 1 also is 0, log 10 is 1. Means which number are we going to give a power to make that 10 to be 10? Means it is 10. When we give 10 a power 1, so it will be 10. So the same thing, when we give 10 power 2, it will be 100. So log 100 is 2. When we give 10 power 3, it will be 1000. So log 1000 is 3. Similarly, log 10,000 is 4. Log 100,000 is 5. Log 1 million is 6. Log 10 million is 7. Up to infinity. Then if you are taking it is inverse, when we have log 1 over 10 is minus 1, log 1 over 100 is minus 2, log 1 over 1000 is minus 3, continuously. So this is a constant value of logarithm. So we are also using logarithm of a number in such a way that using logarithm, we can apply logarithm in different processes. We have done some explanation and many examples previously in our lessons we have done. So also in the geometry, we learn some basic shapes where we learn about triangles, perimeter, and its area. When we need to find the perimeter of triangle, we need to find the length of the side A, B, and C, add them together. And if you want to find the perimeter of rectangle, we are going to find two equal sides, then add them together. So when we find 4 sides, the same length, 2 widths and 2 lengths, we now merge them together. And the same thing with any distance. So in simple process, it means in the process of finding the length of the boundary of an object. If you find the length of the boundary of an object, You got it is perimeter. Also, we have the formula for finding area of triangle, which is AB times H divided by 2. And we have the formula for finding area of a rectangle, which is length times width. Also, formula for finding the square area of square, which is length square. Similarly, that square we can find it is perimeter using 4 times 4 length means 4 times 8. So this is an end of today's lesson. We are meeting for the next lesson where we are taking a quadratic equation. We are finished with the revision for today. So see you in the next lesson by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thank you for watching.